All right, so we need to know a little bit of terminology. P stands for point estimate. Which means the middle number, that's the number that you're expecting to see. So in this particular case, our point estimate is 0.4. So this is our point estimate here. So then, what we want to do is we want to figure out an interval of information equal on both sides of that that captures the middle 95% of the distribution. So there were 200 trials. This N doesn't really apply to us. We don't need it. All we need to know is the number of trials. So there were 200 trials. So I need to figure out what 5% of 200 is. Because what I want to do is get rid of 5% of them, which will leave me with 95% of them. So 5% is really 0.05 of always means multiply, and of 200. So I do 0.05 times 200 is equal to 10. So there are 10 dots on this dot plot that need to be removed. Let me go ahead and make this a little bit bigger so we can see it a little bit better. So what I need to do is it has to be on equal sides. So I'm going to count at 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like I'm at least going to go out that far. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, maybe not so far, because this would get rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. And we need to get rid of more than 5. So 5 would put me getting rid of these and these. But where did I stop? So I need to look and see a little bit more. Wait, did I count those right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that, okay, yeah. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to get rid of more than that. I need to get a little closer to 10. So my other option is to get rid of all of these and all of these. Well, now that's a lot, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that puts us at 12 plus 5 is 17. So my two options of dots to get rid of is 5 or 17. 17 is a lot farther away than 10 than 5 is. So what I'm going to go back to is what I originally had, which was keeping all of those guys. So I'm going to keep all of that, and I'm just going to get rid of the 5. Again, 10 is our magic number that we're trying to get rid of. 17 is a farther away from 10 than 5 is, so we're going to go ahead and stick with a 5. So that means I'm keeping all of these, which means my center, again, was 0.4, and I'm keeping from 0.2 all the way over here until what is this? I'm keeping the 0.2s all the way to the 0.6s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is what I'm keeping, which means that my margin of error, now for these here, we need to figure out what is the distance in between these two guys. So we have 0.4 and 0.2, which is 0.2. So this from here to here is 0.2, and from here to here is 0.2. So that's what I would have.